Good morning, friends. Today I am telling you a story about the crows and the pigeon. A huge flock of crows became a great nuisance to a farmer. The crows would swoop down on his cornfield and destroy the crop. The angry farmer decided to get rid of them. One day, he sprayed a net in his field. Then he scattered some grain on it. The crows saw the grain. They came down to eat the grain. They were caught in the net. The farmer was glad to see the trapped crows. He said, "You robbers, now you will meet the end you deserve." Just then, he was surprised to hear a pitiful sound of wings. So he looked carefully and found a pigeon among the crows. The farmer said to the pigeon, "How come you are in this gang? Anyhow, I am not going to spare you. You have chosen bad company, and so you must suffer." Friends, saying so, the farmer whistled to call his hounds. The hounds came and killed all the birds one by one. Better be alone than falling in bad company. Now I am telling you another story that is about wolf and the lamb. Once a lamb went to a stream to drink water. As he was drinking water, a wolf also came there from drinking water. He saw the lamb and thought, "The flesh of this little one must be soft and sweet. I should catch him for my food." So he went closer to the lamb and said, "You are making my drinking water dirty." The lamb said, "No, it can't be so, because the water is flowing down to me from your end." The wolf said, "Don't argue with me. Perhaps you are the same rude fellow who abused me last month." The lamb said, "I was not even born last month." The wolf said, "In that case, it must be your mother who abused me." So saying, the wolf pounced upon the poor lamb and killed him. Keep away even from the shadow of an evil person. Friends, how is this story? Fine, isn't it? Today I am telling you short stories. Okay. Now I am telling you about a crooked tree. In a forest, there was a crooked tree. Its trunk and branches were odd shaped. All the other trees around were straight and shapely. The crooked tree looked at them and said, "How fine and straight they are. Then it added in a sad voice, "How unlucky I am! Why should I alone be crooked and ugly?" One day a woodcutter came to the forest. He looked at the crooked tree and said, "This tree is absolutely useless for me." He selected all the fine and straight trees and cut them down. Thereafter, the crooked tree never felt sad for its ugliness. In fact, its ugliness had saved it from the axe of the woodcutter. Be happy with what we have, isn't friend? How you are enjoying my channel, friends? If you are enjoying, like, share, comments and subscribe. Please don't forget to click the bell button, friends. Bye bye.